Can you move the tractor? Can you move the tractor and move the sand? How about the rock? Can you move the rock? Just put a rock in the middle and use the tractor to move the rocks. Put over here, son. Son, look. Put over here. Put a rock right there and move with the tractor. Yes.
The rock?
Yeah, you can move the tractor with the Legos and branches.
Rocks.
No, that's
real rock.
no, that's enough rock.
Okay, ready, Daddy?
Yeah, try to move. Yeah, you can move the branches and the tree and the rock and the sand so you can build.
No, the rock.
No, maybe it's too heavy. Maybe take the rock out.
Too heavy, that's why.
Yeah, just let them move the sand and see what happens. Let them move the sand.
How come this doesn't work? It's jammed. Oh, perfect. Yeah, it's hard. I'm losing. Okay, get over it. Okay, perfect. Now, where did you get the sand?
Outside.
No, you did.
Yeah. Can you move the tractor? Can you move the tractor? The branches.
Now, how are you gonna clean this?
With a broom. Can you move the tractor, the Lego and the branches?
I'm gonna get a broom to like sweep it in one spot.
Yeah, but just try to move that. See what happens.
Make a tile.
Yes. After this one, we're gonna bring the sand outside. It's too dirty.
Oh, this is squishy. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay, try one more time. Just put it right there.
Oh. Oh, it's got sand.
Yeah, the tractor got some sand in it.
Now what is he doing? Okay. Now, this can be hard.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah, it's moving. It's moving all the same.
No, 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 no! Ready? Not yet. Right.
Here you go, Michael.
No?
Yeah.
No, don't go. Don't.
Go, go.
No. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go.